One of my students asked me to share those concepts which helped me to improve my communication skills. So friends, in today's video I am just going to share with you some starters. Do you know what starters are? Are you excited to know about those starters? If you don't know, then don't worry. Starters play a very important role in order to speak English very confidently. So friends, in today's video I am going to share with you those starters which really helped me a lot to improve my communication skill. Because friends, to be very frank with you, earlier I was not aware of the starters and my communication skill was not up to the mark. But now I think with the passage of time, I am improving my communication skill using those starters. So without getting any delay, let's get into the video. My name is Anu Mathur and I welcome you to my channel, Anu's English channel. Friends, I hope you are all doing great. Friends, so far as the starters are concerned, friends, I just want to give you one example over here. When you go for any function and when it comes to having like dinner, so you just take a plate first of all, okay, and you choose salt for first and foremost. You choose salt. You choose to take salt because salt is the beginning, and after that you just start taking one by one all the food which is available there, okay. So as the salt is the starter of the food, in the same way there are some fixed phrases, friends. They are the starters of our communication skill. They actually play a very important role in our communication skill. As I spoke earlier, when you want to speak English very fluently, confidently, so you need to use those starters. Friends, the first one is let me tell you. How you can use let me tell you? Friends, let me tell you is really one of the most important phrases. Yes, friends. When you want to discuss any topic, okay, so you just need to use this phrase, let me tell you. Like if you want to discuss about a mango tree, so you will say, let me tell you about this mango tree. It is very tall, it gives fruits, its fruits are very tasty. So something like that, you can speak a lot of sentences, okay, but you need to start, let me tell you, first and foremost. Let me tell you about my jacket. I purchased it from Gaya market. Gaya market is very famous in India, and there are so many visitors, they approach to Gaya. So likewise you can also speak. If I tell you one sentence in the example, so you need to frame more and more sentences on this particular starter phrase. Okay friends, the second one is that if I talk about, as you used let me tell about, okay, let me tell about plus the sentence let me tell about, and what you want to speak, you have to use let me tell about my family, let me tell about my book, let me tell about my food, let me tell about this fan, okay, let me tell about this curtain which is behind me, okay. So you can speak a lot of sentences. In the same way you have to use if I talk about. If I talk about also plays very important role when you want to discuss a topic, okay. So you will say if I talk about. If somebody asked about your watch, like from where you purchased it, okay, so you will start your sentence. If I talk about my watch, if I talk about my watch is from so and so company, okay, or you can say it is from so and so company, or you can say if I talk about my watch which is from so and so company. So when it comes to connect the sentences, you can connect with it, okay, or which, okay. And if you are answering about living thing, so you will speak who, okay. Like if I talk about my father is very intelligent, or I will say if I talk about my father, he is very intelligent, or if I talk about my father who is very intelligent is a doctor, okay. So likewise I can speak so many sentences. And friends, the third one is that as far as ABC is concerned, okay, if I want to speak about this mic, so I will say as far as this mic is concerned, I bought it from the market. This mic is very good and it sounds clear. So friends, I cleared 3 phrases with you, 3 starters. What? Let me tell you, let me tell you plus sentence. Okay, if I talk about plus sentence, as far as ABC is concerned, okay, so you can frame more and more sentences. Friends, that's all in today's video what I wanted to share with you. And friends, really I'm telling you, to be very frank with you, speaking honestly, earlier I was not aware of these starters, so I was not so much confident while speaking. But friends, the day I got to know about these starters, I started using, and I have been using. Okay, I have been using, to be very honest with you. And friends, there are so many starters. Definitely I will share with you. Before that, friends, I want to hear your feedback, because friends, your feedback really helps me a lot to know about my content. In offline classes, I used to ask my students like, did you understand or not? But in online, how could I ask? So it is your comments, your answers in the comment section through which I would get to know like you liked my ideas or not. Okay, so please comment me, and please like, share and subscribe. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and bye bye.